number 2, because the question number 1, all parts, and question number 2, part A. These are your homework, right? So you will do these. So right now we will talk about question number 2. We'll talk about question number 2, part B. Okay. Can you read it out?
In an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. The vertex angle is 40 degree. What are the base angles of the triangle? Remember, the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree.
Okay. So let's do this together. So they are saying in an isosceles triangle. So first of all, let's try to make a triangle that looks like an isosceles triangle. So isosceles means this side and this side are of the same length. They are the same. And so this angle and this angle, they are also going to be the same. Okay. They're going to be the same measure. So it says the base angles are equal. The question says in an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. Okay. Base angles are this one and this one. So they are both equal. So can we call them X? First read what is the question asking you to find?
The base angles of the triangle.
Yes. So the question is asking us to find base angles, right? So we will say let base angles be X. I hope you're able to see what I'm writing on the board.
Yes.
Okay. The base angles are equal. So if this is X, so you need to keep on, you need to keep drawing it simultaneously on the board. Okay. Base angles are X and they're both equal. So they are both X, and it says that the vertex angle is how much? The third angle is how much?
40 degree.
40. So let's make a 40 over there. Okay. This is 40 degrees. You have to find the base angle of the triangle. How will you find it? Do you have any further piece of information that can help you to find these base angles, or that can help you to find X?
Yes. 180 degree.
Sorry?
180 degree.
180 degree, but what? Like what is the whole thing that you need to like 180 degrees is what?
The three angles of the triangle.
The sum of the three angles of the triangle, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the sum of the three angles will be what? How do we write it?
40 plus 180.
40 plus
180.
Why 180? We are saying the sum of the three angles is 180. So 1 second. We are saying the sum of the three angles is 180, right? Can you tell me what is the sum of the three angles?
Yes. Wait. 140.
How do you know it's 140? How do you know that this is 40 and something else? Like how can you say that it's 40 plus 100? What are the three angles? First tell me that.
180. I subtracted 180 from 40. No, sorry, I subtracted 40 from 180.
No, don't do that. Forget about the 180. Let it be where it is. First, tell me what is the sum of the three angles? What are the three angles that you can see?
180.
What are the three angles that you can see? Once again, what are the three angles that you can see?
40.
40 and 40 and
30.
where, how do you know it's 30? Where is it written that it's 30? Is it written anywhere that it's 30? What is written? One is 40. What are the three angles? One of them is 40. One is 40. What is this?
X.
X, right? So 40 plus X plus what is the third angle?
X.
X. Okay, got it now?
Yes.
Okay. And then this 180, we will write it as it is. Okay, now what is 40 plus X plus X?
Minus 40 plus X.
Don't go into that. Okay, first tell me if you have let's say an apple here and another apple here. So apple plus apple is equal to how many apples?
3 apples.
What? One here and one here. How many are there?
With 2 apples.
Two. So you say you have two apples, right? Because it's one apple here and one apple here. So 1 plus 1 is 2, right? So similarly, if somewhere you have 5 apples and in another place you have, let's say, 3 apples, and you add them, how much do you have now?
8.
8 apples, right? So can you take a look at this x plus x that I've written in the equation and tell me x plus x should be how much? What is x plus x?
180.
No, forget about everything else. Only focus on x plus x. Just now I gave you the example of what is one apple plus one apple. So you said two apples. So what is 1x plus 1x?
X. X.
How many x's are there?
2x.
Yes, this is 2x. Okay, x plus x gives you 2x.
2x.
Okay, now this 40 will remain as it is. We will copy it down. And this is our 180. I'm going to write it as it is. So do you understand how we came from here to here?
Yes.
Okay. Now, now can you solve this 40 plus 2x is equal to 180? Now, where do we go from here?
Minus 40 plus 2x is equal to 40 is equal to 180 minus 40.
Yeah, okay. So we can say that if you do minus 40 here, basically it is becoming 0. So I'm not going to write minus 40 here because I know that it will become 0. So now, since now we are progressing and you now know how to do this, uh, how to subtract something from both the sides of the equation. So we won't again and again, we won't say minus 40 here and minus 40 there. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to do minus 40 this side and this 40 I'll cancel it off. Okay. Like basically what I'm doing is we're just skipping one step. We're just taking a shortcut. We're not doing anything different over here. Understand, Hiba?
Yes.
Okay, so 2x is equal to 180 minus 40, and that is
140.
140. So then what is x? Yeah.
Wait,
Yes.
wait, I'm trying to find.
Okay, you're trying to find it. Okay. Well, give me a minute. I'll go drink some water. I'll be back in a minute. Yes, Hiba. So x is equal to how much?
70.
70, right? So x is equal to 70, and that's the answer. Okay, so this is the B part of the second second question. All right. So let's move on to the next one.
Yes.
Hmm. Okay.
Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. Together, their runs
Okay,
fell
no, no, no.
short.
Hiba, 1 second. Let's before that, let's solve the second question, A part, because I think you might have some trouble. I gave it to you as homework, right? I think you might have some trouble with it. So let's do it in the class as well. Okay, can you read out the question?
The teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. The highest score is 87. What is the lowest score?
Okay. First, tell me. So over here, something needs to be x, right? What should we take as x? What should be our x?
The lowest score.
Exactly. Very good. Very good, Shiva. Let lowest score be x. Okay.
Can you write it a little down? I can't see it.
Okay. All right. So the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7.
So is it 5?
Hmm?
Is it 5?
Are you just guessing that? You can't just guess it like that. And by the way, it's wrong. It's not going to be 5. Uh, okay, Hiba, tell me your strategy. How are you going to solve this? First, read the statement, convert it into a mathematical equation. Read the statement. What is the statement saying? Hiba?
Yes, I'm reading it.
Huh.
So the 7.
Okay, wait. Let me write it down. They are saying that the highest marks is twice
What
the
twice
lowest
means?
marks. Sorry,
What does twice means?
twice means 2 times. Means double. Double of something means twice of something. Okay.
Okay.
Like if I say someone is twice your age, then that means their age is double of your age. Okay.
Okay.
Let's now try to. Yes.
2x 2x
Very
minus
good.
7
So one sec, just a sec. This becomes 2x. What else? What else can we translate?
plus 7
Plus 7. Very good. This becomes plus 7. Then what else can we translate?
87 is equal to 87
Okay, is right. Is means
is equal to
is equal to.
is
And
equal to 80.
and question is saying highest score is 87. So highest score, which is basically this. Just a sec. Highest score is how much? 87.
87
So have you gotten your equation now? What is your equation? Your equation is keep x on the left hand side. Equation is 2x plus 7 is equal to 87.
is
Is that
equal
fine?
to 87.
Yeah.
Yes.
So can you find out um the
Yeah.
x now?
2x is equal to 80.
Very good. Excellent, Hiba. Yes. Then
And then x is equal to 40.
very good, Hiba. Very good. MashaAllah. Well done. So x is equal to 40. So you have to write in your answer lowest marks
Is equal to
Okay. Fine.
Can you give us some time to write it down?
Yeah.
I wrote.
Okay. Fine. So shall we move on to the next question?
Yes.
Okay. Can you read out question number? Okay, let's not do that. Let's do the example 10. Okay, page number 90. Let's do example 10 on page number 90. Okay,
Shall I read it?
yes.
Raju's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. Find Raju's age if his father's age if his father's age is 44 years old.
Okay. Heba, before we go on with this question, I want to ask you, your school is reopening when?
1st September.
1st September, right? Before that, we will have a class day after tomorrow, is it right? So that's gonna be 31st of this month, 31st of August. Can we have a 2-hour class on that day? Is it possible for you?
Yes, I will see.
Yes. So right now your class starts at 4:30, right? So is it okay if the class starts at like if we keep the class on Wednesday, because we've missed 2 classes. So if we start the class from 3:30 to 5:30, is that fine?
Yes.
So on Wednesday, 3:30 to 5:30. Okay. Because anyway your syllabus is over, but uh, we have missed classes, so to cope up with that. So please, inshallah. Just a minute. Okay. So the question says, are you able to hear me,
Yes.
Hiba?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, fine. So the question says, Raju's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. So first of all, tell me what should we take as x over here? यहाँ पे x क्या होगा? What should be x?
Raju's age.
Raju's age will be x. So we'll say let Raju's age be x. So the question is, Raju's father's age is 5 years 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. And they're also telling you, chalo, fine. So first of all, let's let's try to translate this statement into English. Sorry, into maths. So can you tell me what and all we can translate?
5 years.
Yes. 5 years more
Like,
than, right? 5 years more than, right?
yeah, 5.
What does that mean? 5 plus, right?
Yeah, 5.
What is 3 times Raju's age?
3x.
Very good. What is Raju's father's age? It's given in the question.
Before.
44. And how do you translate this part?
So it's going to be 3 to 44.
3x plus 5 is equal to 44. Then please solve this and tell me.
X is equal to um, 4. You hear me?
Yeah, 3x is equal to then x is equal to
Wait. X is 30.
actually can you hear me now?
So, yes, I can hear you.
Okay. So did you get the same answer?
Yes.
All right. Let's move on to the next one then. Let's move
Yes.
on to, okay, let me just, before going to the exercise, let me give you this question. Okay. So Hiba's mother, okay, Hiba's mother is 35 years old. Fine. Then
Yes.
three or no, not three. Fine. 3 years from now, she will be mm,
Can you give me 1 minute?
yeah, okay.
You know,
Yes. Yes, Hiba. Can you try to solve this?
yes. X multiplied by
Okay. Let's do this step by step. Okay. What is X first of all?
uh,
Your voice is breaking.
my
Can you type it in the chat box? Your voice is breaking. I can't hear you. Okay. Fine. So X is Hiba's age, present age. All right. Next, let's try to do this step by step. 4 years from now, she will be. Who will be? Hiba's mother will be. So right now, Hiba's mother's age is 35. 4 years from now, what will her age be? If right now her age is 35, then after 4 years, her age will be. Can you type it? Can't hear you.
39.
39, yes. So 39 is Hiba's age, Hiba's mother's age after 4 years. So the way you need to write this in your notebook is Hiba's mother's present age is equal to 35. Her age after 4 years is equal to 39. Okay, so we have reached till here. 4 years from now, she will be. Okay. Actually, no, we have reached till here. So she will be. So this B part, this becomes the, what does it become? It becomes equal to, the equal to part. Okay. Right. So we have, one sec, I need to move this. Fine. So we have 39 is equal to, she will be, so this B is equal to 3 times Hiba's present age. So 3 times, what is Hiba's present age? Hiba's present age is what? X, right? 3 times X. So we are saying 39 is equal to 3X. So you need to find X. What do you do to find it?
X multiplied is equal to
Divide both sides by 3, right? Because we need to get rid of 3 from, like, 3 is stuck to the X, but we need to get rid of that. So we need to divide both the sides by 3. So X will become 39 divided by 3, and that is 13. Very good. So Hiba's present age is 13 years. Okay. So this is one question. We'll do a similar question now. Part C of the question number 2. Smita's mother is 34 years old. Can you read the question?
question is
Okay, page number.
said twice as together their runs to show a profitable score.
Hiba, in my textbook, the question is different. It is this. Do you have this question in your textbook?
So,
You don't?
yeah,
Can
I
you
do.
type it? Yeah, I can't hear you. Okay, you don't have this one. Anyway, so we can try to do this. Can you try to solve this question?
Yes.
Okay. Do it yourself now. Uh, Hiba, the question is the exact same as the one that we did just now with Hiba's age and Hiba's mother's age. The exact same thing, just the values are different. Try it yourself. Fine. I will show you this one. Now try. Now try it. Are you able to do it now, Hiba?
I'm doing it right now.
Very good. Okay.
Samita, which will be 9.
Sorry, what? Yes. Right. Very good. It's her present age will be 9. Okay. Very good, Hiba. So that's it for our today's class. Uh, okay. So for your homework, you have the rest of. Let me just tell you the question numbers. So question number one, that was the previous classes homework that also you have to complete. And question number two, whatever questions are left from question number two, that you have to solve. And question number three as well. Okay. And yeah, question four also. So the whole of the exercise, whatever is left in the exercise. Okay. Thank you, Hiba. Assalamu alaikum. And remember, your class on Wednesday starts at 3:30. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Bye.